hey, I found a new tool. Well, I didn't find it. Somebody else found it, and they showed it to me, and so I thought, geez, I wonder who else would like to see this. And then I thought of you guys.
Okay. So this is a spur cleaning, or a pad cleaning spur made by Motor Guard. It's called Pad Pro, model SD1. Herbert says it's great for foam pads. So you spritz it with a little bit of water and then run this back and forth over it. And he really likes it. So he does a lot more foam padding on cars than I do foam padding on boats. Maybe I'll look into this. If nothing else, it's a fun little fidget spinner. So Herbert likes it, so we're cool.
So Herbert says that this little guy is great for foam pads. So let's check it out. He's not wrong. That cleaned it pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I can see the color change like,
And bingo. A little bit in the middle, but I didn't hit it too hard. So apparently it works pretty good. Nice job, Herbert. Also, your buffer is so torquey. I need to get a new buffer. Jeez.
Hey, thanks for watching. That's all I got. Pieces.